And this one, it tells us a square has a perimeter of 25 inches. What is the area of the square? You should have this one answered already on your paper. Again, we know it is a square, and we're keeping in mind that squares have all equal sides, and perimeter is the outside measurement where we would say this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, and it gives us the perimeter. But the question is asking what is the area? And area, we remember, is length times width, and it doesn't give me the length or the width. But if all the way around we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides that we're adding together, when we add that all up, we would get 25. But this number, this number, this number, this number have to be the same because they represent the sides of the square. So we will say 25 divided by 4, which the 4 is for the 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. 4 will go into 25 6 times. That's 24. Subtract, get 1. Whole number, numerator, denominator. So that means that each side length of my square is 6 1/4 inches. 6 1/4 inches there. 6 1/4 inches there. Still haven't found the area because I now have my length and my width. So 6 1/4 times 6 1/4. That would be 25 over 4 times 25 over 4. And 4 times 4 equals, let me write this a little bit clearer, 25 over 4 times 25 over 4. Give myself a little bit more room to work there. And here we get 16. I'll work 25 times 25. Draw up my turtle head. 5 times 5, 25. Carry the 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 2 is 12. Cross off carried numbers. Draw a collar. Lay a turtle egg. 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Add them up, and I get 625 over 16. Cannot leave it as an improper fraction. So in and out. 16 into 625. 16 doesn't go into 6. Carry the 6. 16 goes into 62. Well, 2 16s would be 32. So let me try 16 times 3, because I know if I had 16 4 times, if 2 times is 32, 4 times would be 64, and that's too big. So 18, carry the 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 48 on the bottom. Can't subtract, so we borrow. 6 becomes 5, 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. 14 is smaller than 16, so 3 is good. And slide. 16 into 145. 16 is almost 20, and 2 would go into 140 is almost, 145 is almost 140. 2 would go into 140 7 times. So let's start by saying our estimate. 16 times 7, that would give me 42. Carry the 4. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 4 is 11. Whew, I think I can definitely go higher than that. So let's try 16. Let's jump up 16 times 9, because it's just 16 that I'm working with here. That's 4, carry the 5, 9 plus 5 is 14. All right, so good choice with the 9. 144, subtract and get 1, and that's my leftover amount. Whole number, numerator, denominator. So my area is 9 1/16 inches squared. Great job. Keep it up.